Field is no longer the batsman's playground, as the field is now spread. Will this medium pacer bolt past? The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. It's in the air. Right, the batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. There's the light at the end of that long tunnel of singles. A solid four. It looks like it's going all the way, and it does. 4. A good over for the batting team. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Great coordination between there. That's good running. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. The striker is hesitant to make any big moves. No runs off that ball. That's it! Ibbison! The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. A good over for the batting team. Spread out, making it a bit hard for the batsman to score. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. That attack wasn't just for the stumps. What a body shot! The fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. It could have been a big wicket, but he fails to hang on to the ball. The dry spell ends with that refreshing fall. He's shown his contempt with a ravaging shot. Lofted for 4. They should not try something outside the box here. This partnership is crucial. What a way to bring up his 50. Two's company, but three's a hat-trick. Can he do it? Struggling to get into a good rhythm in this stick. batsman. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. They'll pick. Up a cheeky double hit with
I don't know why it is happening multiple times.
The outfield is no longer the batsman's playground as the field is now spread. They're bringing in some medium pace to try and limit it. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Fielders are making their move in the... That's a good throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery. Well bowled, nothing conceded. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. A quick 50 from the batsman here. Good variation there, forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. Keepers! Keepers in! The batsman strikes a double on the final... shotgun this one. Let's see if he can generate some swing. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. Two's coming, but four's a blast. What a shot. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off with a four. Could have easily nicked the bat. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. They've weathered many a storm together, haven't they? Great pop. A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by four. A good over for the batting team. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? He's lofted it just right. Bounce and boundary. Such a perfect length from batsman was in two minds there. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. Oh, that was a close one. The ball is not stopping for anyone. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. The umpire knows what the batsman doesn't. Not out. A good over for the batting team. Can stretch their legs and stop those boundaries. A leg spinner has come into play. A leg spinner has come into play. Fielders are making their move. The dry spell ends with that refreshing fall. A hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for four. Oh, what a delivery. Couldn't have added more grace to it. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. It's a loud shout and the batsman is unsure. The umpire says he's safe, not out. A fine double that will push the tally. Keeper! Such a neat dismissal. Fantastic delivery. The bails are lit. What a delivery. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team. Plan and anchor the innings. An off-spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. Time for some spin now. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. There's no stopping that turf wrecker. 4 runs it is. Touches the ball and slogs it down the onside. He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. Yes! Great That was caught with good judgment in the outfield. Brilliant bowling effort. That's some quick wickets from them. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. Off the starting blocks with a safe play. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. It doesn't seem to be timed well. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off with a four. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. Fine running between a sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. Ibbotson. Confident appeal from the bowler, but the umpire isn't convinced. He turns down the appeal. Catch it! Looks like he has to make a dive to save his wicket. Too many loose deliveries in that one. A costly over that'll come back to bite him. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Out, says the umpire, and huge celebrations from the fielding unit. The batsman's going to ask to review that decision. Yes, they decided to go to the third umpire. Oh, he's put leg before. A great delivery that nabs him. He needs to stay on and finish the game for his team now. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. An impressive stick. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. 2 runs to start things off. Ibbotson. Spinner takes up the charge. Can he convert? A leg spinner has come into play. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? That's a quick bit of leg work from it right back. 2 more and he'll retain the strike.
Catch it!
Bowler! Superb delivery. The ball sneaks through and hits the bails. The bails are lit. What a delivery! He has to anchor the innings and look to stay on till the end to put up a good total. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. The calm before the storm shatters with that massive six.
Skippers!
An off spinner. Will the bails be spinning off soon, we wonder? Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes in. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's
Give us
over.
it.
A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 more and he'll retain the strike.
Keeper!
This is an absolute ripper of a ball. It has sent the bails flying all around. The bails are lit. What a delivery. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. A quick couplet from the batter. That the bowler's not singing a happy tune.
Bowler,
Great
bowler,
coordination
bowlers!
between the pair. That's good running.
Outside!
The ball slams into the stumps, but they've made it in time. No run out here.